So this is Exhibit A. Here is their offer, which most of you probably saw. In the next few weeks, DTE Energy will begin installing advanced metering in your area. That's the offer, right there.
Do we need the original that we received?
No.
Okay, so you may be wondering, what do I use as my exhibit? You can use anything that shows your utility is promoting smart meters, whether it's a letter to you personally or a page from their website about smart meters.
So there's the offer that starts this contract. They can't get out of it because they started it, okay? Now this is your affidavit. So an affidavit is a statement of truth that has to be sworn to. And here's where we get into the technical aspects of the smart meter issue. What you saw there before was more just a contract that could be used for anything, really. But this is your affidavit that they have to refute each one of these points with actual facts. They can't just go, oh, they're safe, they're safer than cell phones, or these blanket statements you see everywhere. And I mean, they use the same words everywhere, just so you understand that.
Feel free to pause this or print out the document template for yourself, but we'll just give an overview of the content. Point 4 states the facts of the smart utility meters, that they can unlawfully record and transmit data, that they emit pulsed microwave frequencies that harm life, and that they have been demonstrated to cause fires and other harms. Point 5 includes specific admissions of the intention to collect and market surveillance data with this technology. Point 6 states that this is a violation of our Fourth Amendment rights. Point 7 says that the location is on or adjacent to private property without explicit consent. Point 8 states that private property is serving as a relay station for corporate systems without compensation, consultation, or disclosure of facts. Point 9 outlines the hacking vulnerability and potential shutoffs caused by smart meters and the smart grid, and the utility's liability in all resulting harm. Point 10 speaks of the voltage transients or dirty electricity and the resulting harmful effects. Point 11 summarizes the widespread house fires caused by so-called smart meters, including several fatalities. Point 12 outlines a list of mass replacements due to fires and explosions. Point 13 speaks of the radio interference caused by this technology, which is against FCC code. Point 14 says that this interference has been shown to specifically include medical devices, and that utilities have failed to disclose or responsibly act upon these facts. Point 15 outlines the harm from pulsed microwave radiation, the pulses of which have been measured between hundreds and tens of thousands of times stronger than a cell phone. Point 16 states that industry's claims of safety are false, misleading, not based on actual science, self-serving, and fraudulent. Point 17 states the admitted fact that government safety standards for microwave radiation are only based on thermal or heating effects, and that the science used by these agencies is outdated and inapplicable. Point 18 says that there is no indication that the FCC is interested in protecting men, women, and children from harm caused by radio frequencies.
And here's where you sign, and your 2 witnesses, and your notary.
Here's an example of the completed page.